Where we at, Jade?
Texas 2K25.
Got Mama and Bubba back there. Just got in the gates. We're getting ready to start some more racing here in a bit. I did see a Comp Orange New Edge. I think it was a Cobra. Okay. Let's go double check that.
So you see what's on the speedway, that is putting down the traction additive in the TX2K25 compound. He'll add that to both sides of the race.
Oh, the race fans.
And then we will lay down some additional rubber.
And our wheels there is, looks like a Terminator. A little windy. Streetcar class.
Burnout's complete. We'll put them in their own race tracks and we'll get them ready for the first pair out in streetcar. The 60-foot, he'll lead the way to the finish line for Earl, and he will go 6:87 and 2:09. That is a new personal charge number that you can hear 2 counties away. Can we get any best out of him? We will. 684 at 202 miles an hour for Tyree Smith. Right here at TX2K25.
Box body in the right lane.
Martin East comes up next for right-hand side in the Mustang. He'll line up with the S550 chassis Mustang, the orange and gray car, the one that says it's not a wrap on the side. Beautifully painted car of Joe Holt, the one with the turbo sticking up out of the hood. He currently needs a better qualifying time. He's 12:57. He wants to get into the 7th. We'll go 8 flat.
Going over here to where the vendors are at. Check out some of the merch, and Jade wants to see Luna. Check out Lunatic. All those street cars waiting. Where's Joe Tech at? I'll walk around, go find Zotec booth, and probably like a 1320 booth. Alright, Jade already found the Zotec tent, but check this out for all the Fast and Furious peeps. Look at this. Honda Civics, made to look like the ones from the original Fast and Furious. Pretty dope. Man, brings back memories. That is cool. Where's Luna at, Jade? Luna, Jordan, Kylie, Queen of Hearts, and the Hello Kitty car. Patrick as well. This is Jay's favorite part, is getting to see Luna again and checking out Luna's car. Look at all the little Hello Kitty. What are those called, Gigi? And of course, she's packing serious power. I believe she ran a new personal best this week. There's Patrick's car back there. I don't know where Patrick is, but I actually bought a car hauler from him. I don't see him around here. Car. Mission complete. So what did you get, Jade?
A shirt signed by Luna.
You gonna wash it?
No, I can't. The sign
yeah, Luna was nice enough to sign her shirt and take a picture with her. And hopefully here in a little bit we get to watch her run a new personal best. Got the Kirkley race seats. Nice. Little concession break. Switch sides. Waiting for them to get racing again. This side.
He is currently qualified at 9:16. He's good to the number 14 spot. Actually, I apologize. I believe he is in the number 13 spot. Kevin Van Boris, right-hand side, 9:32, the best run out of the Mopar, puts him in the number 14 spot. So they're qualified one right behind the other. Camaro makes the move first. Van Boris will give chase. Travis going down left side. And he'll clock a 9:27:1.
Earlier, Han from Fast and the Furious walked right by me, and he is now right here in this little cart.
All right, as I mentioned, it only took a couple minutes. We're ready to go right back at it.
Now you can see him now.
He does.
Well, at least we got good seats now. Waiting for the DCT class to start. Alright, check out Luna.
Again, the difference here in the prep that you will see between the DCT class and some of the GTR classes. Toya. Both of these cars are qualified. Luna on the left, out of Garland, Texas. You see the Hello Kitties that are dangling from her spoiler on the back of the car. 8:11 at 183 for the GTR left side. Eric Montoya is qualified with an 8:47. And Luna has the problem. 6 on the way, GTR. Mo and Barrett, right side. Deer Park, New York, 778. Both these cars are already qualified. Left side is making a better run. 724. He is in the number 35 spot, so he's at the top of the third field right now. He's trying to improve a little bit. Ricky is shuffling around. Ricky on a good run left side. He goes 740 at 205.
What's that? Top orange. So gonna go ahead and finish this one up in the garage using the new mics. Texas2K had a blast. Family had a good time. That was all good. But to follow up on Lil Red, like the description said, last couple months have been kind of slow. Nothing but, I guess, bad news after bad news. So Saul's performance, David over there, ended up finally getting the block over to the machine shop. We found out that the block was bad. The bores were not all even, and the block ended up being, I think, 30 over. So David ended up finding, I went on a look for a couple blocks, ended up finding one. We thought we were heading in the right direction. Stopped by there about a month ago. Dropped them off some cash for, little odds and ends, pistons, rods, and everything. Doing a complete full build on this one now. Replacing all the internals. Lil Red was already built, but yeah, David wasn't too happy with all there was like a lot of inconsistent things there. Chinese parts here and there, and mismatched parts. So complete build, like I said. And yeah, we felt like we were headed in the right direction, and looking forward to getting this wrapped up and tuning, getting on the dyno, buttoning everything up, and run into another issue. The heads ended up being cracked on both heads, and so now this weekend we've been on a little bit of a search for some heads. Thought about going like the trick flow route, but trick flow is out of heads, and quickest they'll be able to get us heads is like, I think David said June, and seems like everywhere else, Modular Headshot, and Johnny Lightning, everywhere's gonna be like a good wait, and that's pretty much where we're at. I think David reached out to Lightning Force Performance and heard some, I guess, somewhat promising feedback there. Hopefully, tomorrow we'll know for sure that they are going to be able to get us some heads within the next 3 weeks. So we won't know till tomorrow, the 17th, which is actually my birthday, St. Patrick's Day. So fingers crossed. Hopefully we hear good news there, and go ahead and get 𝑳𝒊𝒍 finished up, buttoned up, get that truck done, and yeah, and then get this one back in there and get a fuel system on this one. So that is the rundown. It sucks. We want to get 𝑳𝒊𝒍 in this truck on the track as much as everyone else does. I know they want to see it. You guys are getting tired of us talking about it. So that is it, man. I hope you guys enjoy this video. And yeah, hopefully the next video I got some good news for you guys. Appreciate y'all tuning in. If you aren't, subscribe. If you enjoy this video, tap that thumbs up. Drop a comment down below. And see you on the next one. Peace.